Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jean-Marc Voyadzis. I'm a neurosurgeon specializing in both brain and spinal surgery, and I thought I would include an introductory video to explain why I created a YouTube channel, Neurosurgery with JMV. I have a very busy clinical practice where I treat patients with complex disorders of both the brain, spinal cord, and spinal column. And over years of experience, I found that despite me spending as much time as I can with my patients to describe a particular surgical intervention, oftentimes patients don't retain a lot of information. And it's really important for patients to be empowered with as much information as possible. Careful preparation for a surgical intervention can ease anxiety, can allow for a smoother recovery, and even improve outcomes. So I'm creating videos that describe various facets of neurosurgical intervention to serve as an important resource for my patients, their friends, and family that they can review after a visit with me and deciding whether or not they want to proceed with surgery or in preparation for surgery. I think this can also be an important resource for any patient who is considering a surgical intervention. When I discuss an operative intervention, I'll typically go over the reasons for which we consider surgery. I'll review anatomy. We'll go over the expected recovery from that particular surgery, and I'll also discuss risks and possible complications. An important disclaimer is that the views that I'm expressing and sharing with you are those that I have accumulated over years of experience, but they're not necessarily views that are shared by others, including other physicians. So it's really important that you have all your questions answered when you're talking to a physician about a particular intervention. In addition, the risks and complications that I discuss are typically the most common risks that we see, but are not necessarily all-encompassing. So I hope you'll find these videos helpful, educational, insightful, and should you decide to have surgery, I wish you a speedy recovery and the best possible outcome.